Okay, so in this question we've been given that let this term denote the greatest integer t and limit x tends to 0 where x into greatest integer 4 by x is equal to a. Then the function fx is equal to greatest integer of x squared sine pi x is discontinuous when x is equal to what? So let's look at the solution. So this is fx which has been given to us, and fx is discontinuous at points where x square, the greatest integer of x square, is discontinuous. That is, x square belongs to z, with an exception that fx is continuous as x is an integer. So therefore the points of discontinuity for fx would be x is equal to plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3 and plus minus root 5 and so on. So also it is given that limit x tends to 0, this is equal to a, right? Now we know that x is equal to fractional part of x plus greatest integer of x, right? So applying this formula we'll apply the formula to this and get a is equal to 4. Now let's substitute this a is equal to 4 in the 4 given options, which are these. And these are the solutions that we get: 2, 5, root 5 and 3. And points of discontinuity for fx is x is equal to root 5, right? So therefore root a plus 1, that is our option A, is the correct answer.